here at Nanay Sunyang Grave here. What does that say right there, Mom? The name on there?
Yeah, because somebody robbed.
What does it say?
Get the nameplate of your grandmother.
What's the last name?
Gonzalo.
Huh?
Gonzalo Granado.
And Susan, that's the your grandmother?
No.
Who's that?
That's my aunt.
That's your aunt's.
That's the mother of your Auntie Penny.
Oh.
But he wasn't there anymore. They transferred her bones to the other place like this.
Okay. What's your hair?
That's your great grandmother.
Great grandmother?
Oh. Great. Not just one great. Great grandmother.
Your grandmother.
My grandmother, yeah. On my father's side. My father's side, that's the parents of my father.
Okay.
Sit down.
They died in, did you see when they died at 45?
Sa side nila, it's their great.
Greats.
Yeah, great.
Yeah.
Two great, sa'yo one great.
You're gonna play.
Okay.